Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn one more concept in Typescript. It's called use of Keyof. So how we can use this, that we are going to learn. So first of all, we have here interface. In this interface, I say message, and here I mention message1 of a string type, then I say message2 of a string type, then I say total message of number type, like this. Save this. Now I have a function. In this function I want to display information of message type, so I say message here, and here I want to display or enter a key, and under this key I just specify union type. I say I have a message1 type of key, I have message2 type of key, like that. And now I just run this message and I say console.log, and here I display the value is the value of key. I say key, and key that would be, I just use tilde operator and I say value of key equal to, that we have the curly brackets, and I say key is key which we have here is equal to, then again I specify info and I pass here key that I want to use. For that I create object also. I say const info, and then I just specify the value is message type in this object, and specify message1 of, I say this is message1, then I say message2 and I say this is message2, like this. This is message2, then I say total message and I say 2, like this. Save this and I call this function here, and we have a function name also. So I say display message, then I call this function display message, and I pass here info also, and I pass here as a value msg1. Remember that, and I run it. I say tsc and I say key of tss in a watch mode. So I run it like this. So starting, now I open it, another command prompt, and I say here node keyof.js. You see we have a value like this. So you see that here we need to pass the number of options that we want. Here we have only 2 options, but this one is also missing, and we may have thousands of options in interfaces. So we how much value we will write here, and if we change some values, then we have to change. So we have a one more option in place of this. We can write here key of, and we say message, like this. So automatically all the value from this message, all the key will come here. Remember that if I pass here total message also, suppose I pass here total message like this, and I run it, and automatically you will see that we have a value 2. And if I pass here message2, automatically we having a value of message2, like this. So if I am using key of, and the interface name, then I doesn't require to specify here as a union type of all the keys those are mentioned here. So that is the advantage of using Keyof. So and maybe thousands of key are there in this interface. We may use just Keyof by using this simple syntax, and all the keys will come here automatically in as a union data type, and we may specify here the value and we have the desired value as per the key specified. That is the use of Keyof in TypeScripts. I think you understand it. If you understand, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.